Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Create with Chidex. Today I'll be showing you how to make edible cellophane sheets. So these are the ingredients you're going to need for it. And I've got my pot here, so I'm pouring in the water. Then I'm going to sprinkle the gelatin all over the surface of the water. After that, I'll put in my glycerin. Then I'm going to turn on my cooker. So I'm going to be putting it on low heat. So whatever you do, you don't allow this mixture to boil. So I'm going to start stirring it. I'll keep stirring this mixture until it becomes completely clear. Now that the mixture is completely clear, I'm going to take it off the heat and then allow it to cool slightly before I start pouring it into my plastic lids. I'm going to start pouring it into my lids now. So after pouring it, I'm just spreading it around with my spoon. This recipe is a large batch, so I needed a lot of plastic lids for it. If you're doing this, make sure that you don't pour in too much of the liquid, just enough to spread it around the lid that you're using. So after pouring it, I left it to dry for 2 days. At some point I had to put it under the fan to speed up the process because I needed it urgently. But you can just leave it at room temperature to dry. So you will know it's dry when you see the edges start to lift up. And then you can take it off. You can use these edible sheets in so many ways. Cakes, wrapping candies, the possibilities are endless. In my next video, I'm going to show how I use this one. So look out for it as it's going to be very amazing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.